Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grant accountant access to QuickBooks. So first, you may want to head over to QuickBooks and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just scroll down and from here, you should be able to see an option that says My Accountant. Just click on this and from here, all you have to do is enter in your accountant's email, then proceed by clicking on Invite. Another way is going through the settings. Click on the settings button, then click on Manage Users. Next is switch on accounting firms, then proceed by clicking on Invite Firm. From here, all you have to do is enter your accountant's first name, last name, and email. Then once done, just head over and click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!